The objective of LSIB Level 6 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management is to equip learners with the underpinning knowledge, understanding and skills required for a career in the logistics sector at a managerial level. Learners will develop and enhance knowledge and skills in the areas of supply chain planning, procurement, logistics management and global logistics and supply chain. The qualification is regulated by the Office of Qualifications and Examinations Regulation, Ofqual, which regulates qualifications in England. Level 6 diplomas are equivalent to professional graduate certificate in education, graduate diplomas and certificates and Year 3 of a 3-year UK bachelor's degree. The Level 6 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management is a 120-credit qualification consisting of 6 units of 20 credits each. The qualification is delivered fully online, in 2 duration modes, 6-month fast track and 9-month standard mode. All units within this qualification are internally assessed by LSIB and externally verified by the awarding body via submission of assignments. Successful completion of this qualification enables learners to progress into or within employment, or join our Masters or Level 7 Diploma in Logistics and Supply Chain Management. Get affordable education designed for you and reach new heights in your career. Visit www.lsib.co.uk today.